Hey everybody, it's your friend Jason Pound here answering the top questions asked by home buyers, home sellers, and real estate investors in today's real estate market. Question we're tackling today, what type of market are we in? The short answer, we are currently in a seller's market. However, as usual, let me over-explain. Traditionally in real estate, we describe the type of market that we are in based on the months of inventory. So it's considered to be a seller's market if we have 0 to 6 months worth of inventory. Once it climbs up between 6 and 7 months, it's considered a balanced market. And then once you get to 7+ months of inventory, it's considered a buyer's market. The way I like to think about it is who has the leverage. During a seller's market, sellers have the leverage because there are more buyers than sellers. During a buyer's market, buyers have the leverage because there are more sellers than buyers. To give you two opposite examples, think in the middle of COVID when you could write your for sale sign in crayon and still sell it in 5 minutes above list price. That was a true seller's market. Inventory levels fell down to 2 weeks. The last time we were in a buyer's market technically was in 2013, but I bought my first house in 2001, and the house we looked at had been on the market 60+ days without a single showing. They paid all of our closing costs. They gave us a discount. The county gave us the down payment money. We even got a check back at closing. They pretty much paid us to buy that house. That's what it's like when you are in the middle of a buyer's market. Realize that when we answer the question, what type of market are we in? It depends on your price point and your location. Different neighborhoods and different price points are behaving differently. So if your home is worth $1 million or more, technically we are in a buyer's market. There are more sellers of $1 million plus properties than there are buyers of $1 million plus properties in Oklahoma right now. And the difference in the market is huge. This is crazy. If you price your home properly in the $1 million plus category, you're going to sell in 6 days. But if you don't price your home properly, you are going to sit a median of 351 days. And 53% of the $1 million plus listings are falling off the market unsold. So it's kind of tough if you're going to be greedy in the $1 million category right now. You need to really identify what you're willing to sell that property for and list it at that, or don't even go on the market at all. You're going to be sitting for a while until the interest rates change. With regards to properties that are worth between $600,000 and $650,000, technically that is considered a balanced market right now. There are the same number of listings as the same number of buyers that are in the market right now, and neither side has the leverage. All other price points, if your property is not worth more than $1 million and your property is not between $600,000 and $650,000, you are still in a seller's market, meaning that you have the leverage if you list at the proper price. Let me share a couple numbers with you here. Looking at all price points, including the $1 million and the $600,000, but looking at all price points, if you list properly at the right price, you can expect to sell in a median of 11 days. But if you price improperly across all price points, you're going to be sitting 123 days with 31% of you falling off the market unsold. It is more important than ever that you have access to good data and good advice from your realtor. My name is Jason Pound with Jericho Pound Realty Group. We service the entire Oklahoma City Metro area with hyperlocal expertise in South Oklahoma City, Moore, and Norman. If we can ever be of service, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to serve. In the meantime, peace out and have a great life.